So yesterday we have seen about the usage of the Xpath. So today we are going to continue that one. So what are the things yesterday we have seen a little bit, a short demo I'll just give for you. So this is our table. So this is our HTML tags over there. Based on that, we created one tree structure, and then after that, okay, then we have seen about writing the XPath and all those things. Okay, so I just want you guys, I'm going to take the same thing. I'm going to ask you some questions on that, so you guys can help me on that. Okay, this is my tree structure. So now I'll ask questions. So, hey Pranshu, I want this as my output. Can you tell me how I can write the XPath? My output is what? I want this one.
So
always XPath starts with //
Yeah.
What is the tag? What is the tag name? No, my output is this one.
Okay, so it's TD. I mean, it should be TD. Then quotes.
That is TD, and then always property information should be there inside a square braces.
Text at then in double quotes password. Sorry, single quotes.
Correct. In a single quote. That is actually double quotes also will be allowed, but the thing is, always we go with single quote. Why means when we go with Java, okay, the information will be giving it in double quotes. That time, even if we give this information also in double quotes, it will be a problem. So that's why always we give this information in single quote.
Okay.
So this is how we used to give. So now, can you tell me? I want to come from this table to this one TD tag. Can you tell me how I can come?
Yeah, so it will be a double quotes table.
/ table.
Yeah, sorry. Table, then / T body.
T body.
Then TR /TR.
Yes. Super.
TR2 we can give.
Super. We can give that also. TR of 2. Super.
And /TD. I mean, then we can copy the same thing which we have given in the first one.
Correct. So TD is it. So now if I give only TD, how many outputs will be there for me?
Only TD we give, then 2 outputs would be there.
Why?
Because in TR2 there are 2 TD.
Super. Correct. Because of that. Same thing if I give only TR here. Now how many outputs?
Now total 4.
4. Because after this TR will match for this one and this one. Okay, then after that, if I give TD, this one, this one, this one, and this one, all will be the output. Super. Yeah. Thanks, man. Thanks, Pranshu. Yeah, so now, actually, hey Sarika, can you tell me? That is actually what I want right now means from this input tag, I need to go to the table. Okay, from this input tag, I need to go to the parent table. Can you tell me how I can write?
Okay. TD.
TD.
Slash.
Slash.
TR slash.
TR's /
T body.
The thing is,
square
child will be always represented with /. Parent will be always represented with square braces. So what I want means I want to start from the input tag to the table.
Okay. So input name.
Input, then @name. Why I am giving actually what for the name @ symbol, for the text I'm giving it as parenthesis. Can you tell me? Because from my side, always text actually what will happen means is not like an attribute. Okay.
Okay.
It does not have any name attribute name for it. So that's why always we give that is actually text and then the parenthesis. It's like a function equal to this one. So attributes always will be represented with @ symbol.
Great. Okay.
So now my output will be what? This input tag.
Yeah.
Now if you want to go to the TD,
/.
no.
Oh, square braces.
That is here I need to give TD square brace and then here. So now what will happen? Output will
Input
be what?
child and
Yeah.
TD will be parent.
Super. Now if you want to go to the TR tag,
Again square braces, TR and square braces.
correct. So here this one will come. Correct. Then
Yeah, and T body square braces
yes.
and table square braces.
Superb like that. So I want to mention, okay, there are actually what multiple matches means. For this one, if I want to use the property information before the table, okay, here I need to give the property information. If I want to give, I can give like this: @ class equal to text fields table. I can give like this.
Okay.
So that is actually what property information I can give for the in this any of the things also I can give.
Okay.
Okay. So this is actually what based on parent. This is based on child. Okay, yeah. Thanks, Erika.
Thank you, Murli.
This is parent. This is child. So now I'll go for a little bit tricky. So now, hey Dinesh, can you tell me right now? So what is my condition means? Okay, I want the relative path. So from this password text, I want to come to the input text, input box. From this password, TD password, I need to come to the input. How I can come? That is relative Xpath. Dinesh, you are there?
Yeah.
So from this TD password, I need to come to the input.
Okay.
So first, what we need to do, we need to find the common parent. Okay. So for this input, and then for this TD, who is the common parent? TR. So my intention is what actually from the password text, I need to come to the input box. So input will be the final output. So need to start from this guy, TD. So then / then if I give TD text function equal to password. Now what will be my output? This TD. If you want to go to the common parent, what can I need to do? TR then
braces.
Square braces. So now what will be my output?
Output is input password.
No. If I give this one, what is the output? This entire information will be the only one output. This entire section will be one output.
Yeah.
Then I want to come to the input. So now / TD. Now how many outputs?
2 outputs.
Yeah. Then
input @ of password.
/ input. If I give only input, can you tell me how many output?
1 output.
Yes, correct. So it's not mandatory for me to give the information of the property information of the input also. Okay, it's not mandatory for me to give. Okay. Tushar, you have any doubt? Hello. Tushar, you have any doubt? You have any doubt?
No, clear.
Okay, sure. Yeah. Okay. Thanks, Dinesh.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay.
Shital. Yes, Shital.
Yeah, I mean, for from parent to child, as we studied the descendant keyword.
Uh,
Uh,
sorry.
there was a word keyword we were using descendant to come from the parent to the child.
Yes.
For going to the parent from child, so there was another word we used to use. What is that?
This one actually is, we'll call it as relative Xpath. What is it?
No, the one above. When we are trying to go from the child to the parent table.
This one you're saying?
Yeah, from input to table we were trying to go.
These are absolute Xpath. All these things are absolute Xpath. These things.
But if you want to go from input to table directly, we used some word yesterday.
Okay. Understood. That is actually, you want to know about the directly. So for example, instead of going like this, from year to year, how we can go. Okay, so for that, /input @name equal to pwd. Okay, then slash, then I want to go to the table. So in between there can be any tags means. Okay, so ancestor, then table. Okay, now if I give from this input tag, it will identify a parent which is in table. So if we want perfect table information, @class equal to text fields table. Okay, this is what you're asking, Shital.
Yes.
Okay. So this is about ancestor. Okay, the same thing, child is there now. For this one, if you want to come from the table, I want to come to the child input. Can anyone tell me what I can do? Arita, do you like to try? Or anyone?
Hello?
Yes, Madhu.
Descendant :
Super. Descendant : then
and the text
that is from table. I need to come to the
input.
TD, then text function
Equal password.
password. Super awesome. That's it. Okay, so this is how we can come over there. So we have seen about descendant, ancestor, absolute path, relative path. Okay, anything else we have seen yesterday? Contents. So what is contents? Okay, so I'll just give, this is descendant.
Murli,
Yes, Gita.
Murli, can you just repeat that descendant concept alone, Murli?
Sure.
Just not in detail, but just for this.
Sure. I'll explain to you. So, for example, what does descendant means? So, see, if I want from this table to, if I want to come to the input, what do you need to do? Table /tbody /tr /td /input. Like that one I need to go. So the problem is this tr right now they have changed it as div. The tag name called div they have changed it. What will happen? Obviously my Xpath will break. Instead of that, if I'm going to give it as /descendant, what will happen? Always my Xpath will work for me. So if you come over here, see, I'll show you in directly. So right click, inspect element with Firebug. So this is my T-body. The same information what I explained over there, that is what I'm having over here. So here I need to come to this input box. So what I'll do, view Xpath, /, what is there? First table. So table, slash t body, then slash tr, two outputs, correct? Then after that slash td, how many outputs? 4. Then slash input. Okay, so 2 matches. In that, if I want the perfect one, at the rate name equal to username. Table slash t body tr td at the rate name equal to username. So perfectly one match. But right now, what I'm going to do, see, this actually what this tr is there, no? So here I'm going to do some small change. I'll make it as div right now. I'll open that this one. This tr, I'll make it as
Results remotely. So can we edit there?
no, tags you cannot edit it. That values you can edit it. Okay, tags you cannot edit it. Values you can edit it. But there is an option. There are some add-ons over there which supports to edit here also.
Okay.
See right now. Table t body slash. Just a second, it's not changed. It's coming as a separate tag over here. Okay, once we give a stable, that we're not able to do anything. Okay, there is actually a standard way how to give, so we are not able to change that. So in case, what is the information I'll tell you. So right now, if you see after the tr, okay, so in between actually what tr or something has been changed. What will happen? Obviously, what will happen? My Xpath will break because, for example, the tr is gone right now. Okay, instead of that, right now, div is there. So what will happen? That will not give me any output. So I'll close this and I'll open. Because once I refresh the page, Xpath window will lose the control of that page. It gives me no matches. Okay, so only if it is tr, it will be perfect. So if they have changed anything over there in the HTML tags over there, obviously my Xpath will break. So now to avoid that one, what I will do right now, if you see, if I give it as, okay, instead of giving all these things over here, I'll just have only table and then slash descendant colon here. If I give, can you see, it gives an information that is in between there can be anything. The parent should be table and then it will find for an element which is input tag in between. Okay, then gives me the output for that, which is having a property called @name equal to username. Okay, the same thing ancestor, what it will do from the input tag, if I want to go to the table. So see here right now my output is actually the input box. Input box output is what? If I mouse over, see the text box, that is what my output. The same thing if I want the entire table, I need to give / input, two outputs, / ancestor colon. Then if I give table, can you see my output right now is what? The table. Clear, Geeta?
Yeah, clear, Mali.
That is what this information. Same thing right now contains. So /td. Then I need to give text function equal to username. So what will happen? That gives me username. So this one I can give like this. If in case it was a lengthy name, or sometimes actually what we don't want to go with actually what entire information properly means, I can give contains text. Here I'll close. Instead of equal to, I need to make it as comma. That's it. Okay, so here if I give only use, then also will work. Only if I give actually what SE. Okay, that is, it can be anything. SERN. It just check whether the text information is present or not. That's the thing. Same thing, if you see, instead of contains, I can also use starts with. Can you see starts with? That is actually, it will check whether it starts with actually username. So in case if U is not there, it gives me no match. Okay, if I give small letter U also, it will not match. So perfectly, U is capital means it should go with capital letter. Okay, starts with actually what? This letter. The same thing if I give ends with. So now what's the thing? Ends with. So for ends with the syntax, just a minute, I'll check it. Ends with the next part. Syntax we'll see. Ends with /td ends icon with text function comma just it's giving me the error. Okay, we'll see that actually is right now it's not doing it. I was working with that, it was working for me. Now actually it's not taking. Actually ends with actually what just directly we give like the instead of starts with, we used to give ends with over there. I'm giving the syntax correct only, but even though it's going something error. Okay, so this one. So ends with we'll see later. Okay, then after that next we will go with other information. So right now, so /td. Okay, we have seen with actually what are the thing? Descendant we have seen about ancestor contains we have seen, starts with, ends with, we'll see later. Okay. Then after that, I'll show you actually what and or that I'll show you right now. Okay, just a second. 2 minutes, guys. So and or is what that means actually. So right now I'll just give /td. Okay, so it's like this. For example, this is my information. This is my tree structure, correct? So now td. Okay, so td. Then from my side, text function equal to username. That will give me this username text over there. So here I'm going to give an information, okay, or instead of and I'm going to use or td text function, sorry, contains text function comma user. So or means what means actually what? From my side it can be any one is correct also, it will work. For example, instead of user I'll just give it as something xxx. Now also see it gives me one match found because this is wrong, but even though it's fine. Same thing if instead of or if I give and, can you see now no matches? And means what? Both conditions should be passed. Okay, or means any one condition can be passed, and means both the conditions should be true, then only it will work. This is what about and or. Okay, then clear guys, anyone has any doubts on this and or? Anyone has any doubts? So next we have seen about and clear, no? Okay, if you have any doubts let me know. Okay, this and or the same thing. Now I'll open my Xpath information. So here we'll see something. Okay, not not information we'll see. So not is what means, okay, so here contains, instead of this, not contains this information also I can give. Not contains like this. Just a second. Okay, I'll see that. Not contains. TD contains. Okay, here I'll just give not contains. See now, can I do wrong with this? So correction should be TD, not contains text function. See right now, not contains this information I'm giving. So the thing is, both conditions should match. Okay, TD text function equal to username, and TD that's it, and also it should not contain the text called business. Okay, if it contains use, see, both the time is giving me or condition. Excuse me, 4 matches, and should not contain this text over there. Okay, so I don't want to confuse you. I'll come later. This one. Only if I give this one alone, we'll see. So now it's coming properly. See, TD not contains text use. So what are the thing? Actually, a TD cell which does not contains text called use. That is giving me 3 matches. Okay. So the same thing if I give password. See, password will not come now. Can you see? Password is not coming right now. Other things are matching. So here I'll just give and /TD text contains TD contains text slash user. It's giving me true right now. What are the things? Actually, it's giving me whether it's present or not. Okay, that's what. Same thing or. That also is giving me true. Or means what anyone should pass over there. That's the thing. So now if we give like this. So yeah, it should be TR. I'll just give like this. So what's happening? It's giving me a TR which is holding these 2 information. One actually what means so, and I'll just give. So this is also user. Okay, a text which does not contain user, and then text contains user over there. Now contains text user. TD which does not contains user that time. Okay, a TR. Okay, got it. So now if I come here like this alone, we'll see what is output. Okay, actually contains and not contains, some problem is coming, so it's better. I don't want to go for it. I really am missing off the class right now. Just a second. I'll open Xpath window. So now I'll go for the preceding sibling and then following sibling right now. Okay, we are seeing about the descendant and ancestor, all those things. I'm gonna go with the preceding sibling over there. Okay, so what does that preceding sibling means? So now this makes path. So right now, if I give, I'll open this Xpath. So see right now. So from this input tag, I'll just give /input. Right now, what's the thing? Right now, it's giving me this guy. Okay, so input this guy and this guy. So I'll give @name equal to password. I'll just give. Sorry, it's username. So perfectly one match. So now I want to come to the TD tag. Okay, so now I came TD. Now what is the output right now? This one. So from here I need to come to this guy means what I need to do. Okay, so this guy is what means. Okay, so TR, this guy comes first and this guy comes second means this is the elder brother, this is the younger brother. So if I want to come to the elder brother, what I need to do means slash preceding sibling colon TD. Can you see now my output is username text? Can you see from this tag to this tag if I want to come, that is actually what from me it is preceding sibling. So that's what here. It is preceding sibling. So my output right now for this one is what means this guy. This guy is the output right now. This is about preceding sibling. The same thing from here I want to come to this guy means see /TD text function equal to username. Now from here I want to come to this guy. That is the younger brother means following sibling. Colon TD. Can you see now the text box is the output. Okay, so following sibling for this one. So for this one right now, what is the output? This entire information. This will be the output for this one. Okay, so this will be preceding sibling this will be following sibling. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, this is about preceding sibling and then following sibling over there. Okay, which is very important, which you will be using it over there. Okay, so then I'll come over here, see /TD. Then if I give 2, what will happen? My output will be what? 2 things, this one and this one. So now I'm going to give position. Okay, I'll take that. Equal to 1. See, right now the first one and this one is equal to 2. The 2 1. That is, the thing is actually position I can give like this also. Instead of giving TD of 2, I can give position is equal to 2. That is also possible for me. I can give like this also. Okay. Then the next is actually if I have anything, count is there. So the thing is actually what? Get me the count of the B tags for the parent. Okay. So right now what I'm going to do, /TD. Then I'm going to give you the count. So I'll give like this count of TD. Can you see? Totally 4 TD tags count are there. So I'll just give like this also. See, /input. Now how many? 2. @name equal to username. So for this one, 1 is the count. Getting? So this is for count. So for this one right now, output will be what? 1 for me right now here. One will be the output of this. This is what count. Okay, these are the main things that we have in the this one. Okay, so these are the main informations, and then or all those things we have seen. Okay, so also to select greater than some text value which is numeric, so those things actually also, for example, if my output actually is, if it is actually like some numbers. Okay, for example, if it is numbers over there input, and then it's having some values over there as number or something, so that time I can also use this one. Check whether this one will work. Value is equal to, I'll just give it as 5 year, 4 year, here as 5. I'll check what that is coming here. Okay, yeah. So if you see input here, I given as values 5. So what I'm going to do in my Xpath, / input tag @value. If I give, two things are matching, correct? Two things are matching over there. So this one I'll remove. Okay, so now equal to 5 means which will come? Only 1 will come. Okay, so equal to 4 means what? This information will come. So I'm going to give you, instead of equal to, I can also give it as greater than 4. Okay, greater than 2 means what? Both will come, correct? 5, nothing is there. Greater than 4, 1 is there. Greater than or equal to 4, that means 2. 4 also will come, greater than 4 also will come. Okay, same thing, lesser than 4. Okay, I'll give it as lesser than 8. 2 matches. Okay, so greater than, lesser than, equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, that also is possible for me to give. Okay, so anyone has any doubts till now on this?
Murli, I have a doubt, Murli.
Yes, Sarika.
In general, we will get pop-ups, right? If we take any web browser. So
Yes.
how to handle them in Selenium, Murli?
That's one. Pop-ups also, actually what will happen, it will have its own XPath there. Okay, it will also have an HTML section. You have to right click and then inspect element with Firebug. Then you have to work on that. Okay, so it is actually window level pop-ups over there. There's another one actually, what it will be like a alert box or something like that.
Okay.
Those things will not having any XPath and HTML tags or something. So directly we can just switch over to the alert. It will have only OK or cancel button. So click on OK or cancel button. That's it. Accept, dismiss, like the two options are there. Accept means click on the OK button. Dismiss means click on the cancel button.
Can you give us an example, Murli, like by showing the practical?
So, for example, if I come to the active time, admin manager, just a second, guys. Hello. Hey, sorry guys. So now if I come to the users, here I'll go to one user. Delete this user, I'll click. See, this is called as an alert box. It will have only OK and then cancel button on it. Okay, it will have only OK and cancel button. Same thing actually, sometimes actually if I come to the irctc.com something, I'll go to irctc.co.in. So here, when I click on the IRCT tourist train, what happening? See, it has opened a new window. Okay, this is what new window information. Same thing. If I come to this here bar session, no more. I'll just click. See what happened. Can you see? It opens a window pop-up. Right click, inspect element with Firebug. See, this window also has this HTML tag. So based on this, so for example, if I want the information of the close link, so I'll close this Xpath. Right click, view Xpath. So I want to find that information for close. Inspect it, come here. Okay, /EA. Only one is there, close. Clear, Sarika? This is what your expectation, na? This is what you're asking.
Yeah, got it.
That's all I think.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. So,
Hello, Muran.
yeah.
I'm having one doubt. Can you open that pane?
Painter, yes, mother.
Can you explain that child?
Child.
Yes. Second one.
This one.
Yeah.
The thing is, what's happening over here? From this table, I'm coming to /tbody. So if you come, Xpath. So if I give /table, if I give if I give /table, what will be my output? This entire table, correct? Then if I give /tbody, what will happen? My output will be this entire information, correct? This entire information. That's what the information of that. Then if I give /tr, what's happening right now for me? 1, 2. 2 output. That's why this one and this one, 2 outputs. /td if I give 4 outputs. So that is actually what? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then if I give /input, how many outputs? 1 and 2. If I give @name equal to username, how many outputs? Only this one. That's the thing. Clear? This is how coming from a parent to a child.
Yes, thank you.
That's the thing. Okay. Same thing if I want to come to a child to a parent means what? So /input @name equal to username. So now this is what? So then I'll come TD. If I give square braces, what will happen? That information, the parent, it came here. Then after that TR with square braces, I came here. Then T-body. Okay. Then table. That's it. Okay. Square braces are the parent. Okay, guys. So now we'll go to the another example, Flipkart example. So you guys want a break or something? 5 minutes break? Okay, we'll take a 5 minutes break. Then after that, we'll just continue. Okay, we'll have a 5 minutes break. Then after that, again, we'll connect by 8:05. And then we'll see the Flipkart example. Okay, then after that, I'll give you 2 assignments so you can do it Then again, Monday, a little bit, we'll just see on it, on Xpath, and then we'll continue with WebDriver. Okay, guys? We'll have a 5 minutes break. 8:05, we'll again connect. Okay, we'll start the session. So now in the Flipkart, okay, so I'll just go to the books and more. I'll go for biographies. Then here I want to find the, okay, so here I want to find the price of this book over here. Okay, that's what I want to find. So now here the relationship, actually what all those things is what important right now only. So I'll right click, inspect element with Firebug. I'll come. What is the thing I need? I need over the price. So now if you see 385. So if you see, I cannot directly go with then tell me as actually price is 385. Why? What is the problem right now with that one means? Because 385 actually what will not be sure, because tomorrow it will again change to 400 or 350, anything it can come. I need to take some property information only. So what is that I can take over here means? So from my side, what are things I can take means? So what are things will be common means? The book name will be always same. Okay, and then published by this guy, Walter Isaac. Okay, that will be same. So based on these things only I can take it. So I'll right click, view Xpath, I'll take it. So now I'll come over here. So I need to find the common parent of these three things. So span is the tag name for this 385. Then I'll just go a little bit top, this one. So this one, then this one, this div. Okay, this div is holding my publisher information, or what is it? Sorry, that information, Walter Isaac, who has written or something like that. Then this div is holding the name of the book. Then this guy is a common parent for everyone. So I'm going to take the entire information. So now I'm going to draw the tree structure for this. First, this is a div. So for that, I'll draw the tree structure. So now div tag. Okay, so the first one is actually this div tag. Okay, so this div tag, I'll write it. Okay, I'm going to tell you how to draw this tree structure. Then after that, this div tag is holding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 div tags. Okay, so I'll give div. One, 2, 3, 4. Then after that, so totally 7 div tags are there. Okay, then after that, if I open, the first div is holding my book name, so I need to open that. Then here, if you see one A tag, okay, only here it finishes over there. Only one A tag is there. The first div tag is holding my A tag. Then after that, the second div is holding my by Walter's and that name of the book. So we'll see whether we need that one or not. Okay, the name is actually what? Walter Isaac, and I'll just give it in. By Walter Isaac, that is what it's having. So then next, third div is holding the ratings, or those things are not needed. The fourth div is holding my price of it. Okay, fourth div is holding price. So now I'll open. Here, if you see, there are 2 divs. The fourth div is holding 2 divs. Div, div. Two divs over there. That's it. These 2 divs over here. That's the thing. Then after that, the first div, second div. Second div is holding my 385 rupees. I'll open that. Then if I come over here and say one div, UL, and then div. Okay, the second div is holding div, UL, div. Okay, div, UL, and div over there. That's what it's holding. Okay, then the first div is holding my price. I'll open. There is having span and then BR, 2 things. The first div is holding span, BR. These 2 things. That's it. Okay, so I'll write it. This div. So this is the div. So we got it. So this span is holding my 385 rupees. So we got it. That's the thing. So now we'll find actually how to get the Xpath. So now I already told you. So if you want to get the price, so I need to come from the which guy means that is from the book name. From the book name only I need to come. So the book name, I'll just take Steve Jobs, the exclusive biography. I'm not going to take everything, only this alone. So /a text function. Okay, I'll just give contains the text function, comma, this one. I got this one. So from here, if I want to come to the parent, okay, div tag. We got the div tag. So from this div tag, if I want to come to the common parent, another div. So I came here. So I got the entire information right now. Now from here, I need to come to the child. So right now, actually, there is no need of this one. By directly itself, I am able to come over here. So in case if I want the parent for this both, means I can just give like this. So now instead of having it like this, I can give like this. See, sometimes you might see actually what multiple matches. So this one also is possible. I'll take this one. I'll take it in one. /div. So here we will try second. Div contains text function, comma, this one. We will try second. Okay, so I want the common of this both parameters. I can give like this. So I'll copy this and this guy. Then I'll just give the common parent of both is /div. A second, it's got hanged. Okay, see, the common parent for both is this guy. Okay, so from here I can just come to the child. If I want to come to the child, I can give. So right now, what are the thing? From here, right now I'm here. From here, I need to come to this div, span all those things. So if I want to come like this, what I can give /div. So totally what? 7 matches. What are the 7 matches? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then / again div. Now what? 1, 2, and then here in these div tags also might be something matches will be there. So that's why 3 matches. Then again /ul. Okay, see, from this div I have this div only. Sorry, div 3 matches. Okay, this one, and then again some other matches might be there. Then /span. In that, minus actually what? 385 is what I want. So I'll check whether I can take the div tag. Okay, I'll take this div tag final, pu final. I'll check with that. Div contains @class @class comma final. See, 85, then /span. Like this I can get. This is one way. Okay, so I'm going from how means /div, all those things. I'm going like this. Okay, this is one way. Okay, this is one way. So then instead of going by do and all those things, I can also go with the help of ancestor also. So what I can give directly in between these things, I can give ancestor, then find a div which is matching with this div contains final. Oh, sorry, it's not ancestor, descendant. It's a child, na? Descendant. Descendant child which is matching this one. This is also possible. Clear, guys? Anyone has any doubt? Okay. Anyone has any doubts on this one? How I did? Clear for everyone? Okay. So now I'm going to give you two assignments. So you guys can try that. Okay. So in the same thing, come to the biographies. Okay. Same information. You have to find for this. What thing means? Come down. Okay. Gandhiji. The story of my experiments with truth. Okay. So for this one, you guys have to find the Xpath of it. Okay, this is one. Another one. Assignment for Xpath. Okay, change all the properties of the element in ID, Selenium ID scripts which recorded. So on the day we did actually what create customer, create project, login, all those things. Na? So all those things right now, what you guys are going to do means you are going to change every information to Xpath. Okay, before it was taking actually what class name ID by its default. Now you are going to change the Xpath value for each and everything, and then from that information you are going to make it. You are going to execute the code. Then another one actually what Steve Jobs paper book over there. So that's right now. You can go to this one also. This link. The price of the Steve Jobs. So that's what right now I'm given for this one. Steve Jobs right now I have did. You can do it for the. So I have done for the Steve Jobs. You can do it for the that Mahatma Gandhiji. Okay, you can do it for the Mahatma Gandhiji. So I'll just give the name of the Mahatma Gandhiji book. So find the price of this one. Okay, how you can find means actually go to that place. So you just take some little information, come here, Control F, and then find the book. Okay, for that find the Xpath of that. This is one. Then another one, find the Xpath for the price of the 2 flight and make my trip. Okay, so come to the make my trip, makemytrip.com. Okay, so here what you're going to do means, so right now for this 2 flight, okay, so just give here Mumbai to Bangalore, search flights. So one way I'll just make it.
Murli, you have to select the city different. I mean, you have to select Mumbai to Bangalore. It's both are Bangalore.
Okay, yeah. Yeah. Mumbai, Bangalore, search flights. So here, I want you to take for this Indigo flight is there, na? For this one, what is the price of it? That is one. And then what is the book? This book is there, na? That one. Okay, separately this one and then this book. So that one I want one. The price I want for the 2 flights over there in Make My Trip. So for this one, I want the price. Another one, I want the one's price. Another one is book of the 2 flight make me trip. Then after that, price of 2 flight plus hotel. So I'll go to flight plus hotel. So here I'll just book from Mumbai to Bangalore. I'll just give. Then I want a 1-way trip. Yellow. So I'll go to men, sports shoes. So this one, I want the price for the second shoe. Okay, for the second shoe, what is the price I want? Okay, that is one. So this thing actually price for the second flight in make my trip, second book for the second flight in the make my trip, then price of the second shoe, Xpath for elements while creating an account in Gmail. So go to the Gmail. If you go to the Gmail, so create an account will be there. Just a second. I'll remove these things. So create an account, click on that. I want you guys to get the Xpath for each and every field over there. Okay, all the elements, I want the Xpath from your side. That is one. Then Xpath for login and logout of Gmail also. Okay, so find the Xpath for login and logout. So if you want to log in, username text field, next information, then logout. So for all those things, I want the Xpath of that. Okay, so then here, same thing. I want the Xpath. Okay, so 2 flight plus hotel, the price of it. For this one, I want the price. Okay, this one 2173. Okay, so the second flight information. Okay, this one, I want the price of these things. So these are the assignments. Okay, big assignment. So you can do it on the Saturday and Sunday. Okay, try to do it. This will give you more clarity on how to work on with Xpath. Then you can come up with doubts. So I can help you on those doubts and everything. Okay, guys? Yeah.
Can you please open the first assignment?
Which one?
First assignment.
First assignment, yeah. So the first one was?
Yeah, first one.
The thing is, on the day we have recorded the Selenium ID scripts over there. No? So for example, I'll open the Selenium ID. Add test case. So I'll go to that. So in the active time projects, we have written for test cases for all these things. So create customer. Okay, so here for all those things right now, name, description, all those things. All those things I want you to change it. Okay, name is there. So for that, what you have to do? So if I go to the information, sorry guys. So create new customer. So for this one, what is the name? If you see this one, okay, the tag information. So what I need to do, I'll open the Xpath, /view Xpath, /input. So these many matches are there. Which one is mine over there? I can take name is equal to name is there. Okay, that attribute I can take. @name is equal to name. Correct. Now I got the perfect match. So get this one, and then here you have to change it. Clear?
Okay.
Now you can confirm whether you have in the proper information. So how you can confirm? So here we have the find. Can you see? So right now I want here. Can you see? Now you can confirm whether we are there in the proper information. So if you double click, that writes the information. Clear? That's what I want to do. So try with all the assignments. So you'll have a good clarity on Xpath and all those steps. Okay, guys? Okay. Guys, actually, I'll stop the recording.